Hello, friends. I am your host Abhinav Upadhyay, and welcome to another story of Experiencing Him. Experiencing Him is a collection of true stories where people have experienced Him directly or indirectly. It might be just coincidence, or they were just lucky for some, or as they believe, He helped them. I would request you to be with me till the end, and if you have also experienced Him, please share your story with me on abhinavopadhyay.up@gmail.com. Today's story is of Mr. Vijay Shah. I met him on a flight from Mumbai to Delhi. Vijay has done his schooling from Faridabad, and after that he went to USA for graduation program. He didn't want to get into pure engineering, neither had any interest in arts or commerce. So he finally decided to join biotech program. After completing his undergraduate program, he applied for masters. While completing masters, he got an offer for sales and operations manager position from a pharmacy company. He accepted and joined the organization post graduation. It was an amazing experience for him. He was in direct communication with customers and doctors. His company's major focus was creating drugs. He did great in first year and was promoted to senior manager sales. His performance improved year by year and got multiple promotions. It's been 3 years when company decided to let him go with 90 days notice period. In the beginning he was fine with the company's decision as he was confident that he will get another job. He started meeting friends and their friends first in the same city and few nearby. 30 days passed by when he realized that first 30 days of his notice period has been passed away and only 60 days were left. He spent some time thinking about his action plan. He pulled out list of companies he was interested in. He contacted his friends and tried to find connection in those companies and then applied through them. He also started contacting alumni and planned to meet them. He was trying everything to get a job within his interest and terms. He was good in college and have connections, but none of the things seems to work. 60 days passed by, neither he heard from the companies nor from the friends. The thought of possibility, in case he didn't get a job and notice period is over, started bombarding into his head. He had no connection in India, either with his school friends or with relatives who could help. He will be a lone fish, that too in a totally different country. He had left India 10 years back, and Farida was a different city altogether. The thought of moving back to Faridabad and starting from scratch seemed alien, and a cold breeze moved through his body. He didn't want to move back to India, as his life seems to be in New York, and his preference and terms reduced slowly, and desperation to get a job in any city of the USA was at peak. He was applying everywhere and was doing everything to get a job. 80 days were gone, only 10 days were left. In all the companies he have applied, none of them shown interest in his profile. With the same energy like before, he was reaching out his friends and connection for help. Just 2 days before, on the 88th day evening, out of blue, a known of his friend, whom he had met in the party when he was starting looking for a job, called him for a discussion at lunch out of the city. Now, on the last day, he had two discussions. One was at lunch around 2 p.m. outside the city, and another was at 4 p.m. in the city. At first, he thought to attend both, but somewhere he knew that only one can be attended. This was his last hope, else he had have to leave for India. He finally went for the lunch, and their discussion continued till late evening. The person with whom his discussion was scheduled was CEO of an early age startup that was working on reading brain signals and was looking for co-founder. He heard his name in different meetups, and one of his mentor, who was also the professor in Vijay's MS program, referred his name. By the end of final day, he was co-founder with a permanent job. After some time, when he thought about this incident and how he got job on the last day seems magical. He thanked God for saving him and giving him an opportunity to work in the country he liked. Thank you for being with me. I hope you enjoy the story. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below and let me and Vijay know what do you think. This is your host Abhinav signing off. Thank you. Bye bye. Sayonara. Have a great day.